Excuse me, pwede ba kitang matanong?
Yes po.
Pabor ka ba sa impeachment ni VP Sara?
No.
Bakit?
Because it is obviously politically motivated.
At ngayon, pag-uusapan nga natin yung AI na shinare ni Bato at ni Baste Duterte. This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this!
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Well, unang-una, siguro, linawin muna natin. Mali ba yung gumamit ng AI? Now, AI is a tool. It's a very good tool na kung saan pwede natin ito magamit to learn a lot, research a lot, and use it in a way that could help us become the better version of ourselves. It's not supposed to replace us, but it's supposed to help us into becoming better. Okay? Now, nagkaroon kami ng isang test sa loob ng company namin to identify whether the picture is an AI made or not. And to be honest, I didn't pass that exam. Okay? Because it's so hard to spot kung ano yung gawa ng AI at sa hindi. Okay? Now, usually, ang palatandaan ko doon, yung sobra yung daliri, yung medyo obvious yung ngiwi, yung facial features na hindi pantay, so on and so forth. So, yun, kaya kong maspatan. But, AI will get better. Whether we like it or not, it will get better. Okay? But the good thing about that is AI doesn't have a mind of its own. It still needs some input from us. And yung mga nakikipag-argumento sa akin na gumagamit ng AI, I don't really care. You know why? Kasi unang-una, yung argumento mo doesn't make it correct by using AI. Kasi AI is like, kung ano man yung ipasok mo doon, okay, it will, package it beautifully, magiging well-versed, but it cannot turn a shit into a gold. Okay, so it's a garbage in, garbage out na nakabalot sa isang magandang package. So, hindi nun pababanguhin, hindi nun pagagandahin yung main point mo, and yun yung kagandahan sa AI. Hindi siya absolute na kung saan pag gumamit ka ng AI, mananalo ka sa isang argumento. Because again, your argument will stand kahit na gumamit ka or hindi ng AI. Lalo na if you master critical thinking. Now, ang napansin ko kasi doon, yung mismong message ng AI, yung nakakatch doon sa idea ni Bato tsaka ni Baste Duterte. And I agree with the message that impeachment is politically motivated. 'Di ba? Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, regardless kung gumamit ka ng AI o hindi, yung context ng message ng AI would or can be extracted and doon mo siya pwedeng makita kung ano ba talaga yung weight ng argument ng pinasok nila sa AI. Hindi naman porket gumamit ka ng AI, magiging tama or mali na yung kalalabasan nito. Again, nakadepende pa rin kung ano yung ipapasok mo dito at kung paano mo gagamitin yung AI. Kung gagamitin mo ito sa masama, of course, yung kalalabasan nito ay masama. This is Pinoy Extreme. Have a good day.